Yeah, guys, this is how my fish look, guys. When I just fry them done, this is how it look, guys. Red snapper, fried fish look good, crispy, looking good, guys. So if you want to see this video again, just let me know and comment, subscribe, and let me know how you what you think about my fried red snapper fish.
Daddy, that's not a
Yeah,
red
man.
snapper fish.
This is Cliffy cooking, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, my wife always cooks, so I got some good fish right here, guys. Looking good. This fish look good, guys. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look amazing. Amazing, guys.
I'm gonna put
Look
this
good.
together.
So I'm saying, yeah, man. This fish look good.